All right, guys, we got the FNT case here, FNT case. Check that out. It is shock resistant. It has precise cutting, so it's going to fit absolutely properly. Easy install, and it is comfortable to the touch. So we're going to put it to the pace here. We're looking at another one. So we just did another clear case, and I'm curious as to the differences here with regards to it. So high quality product overall. So let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we are working with. Now, I think you can never go wrong with cases. Having them proper is super nice. So you have Activate from a warranty perspective, some dry and wet wipes. You got a dust absorber. That is super cool. So they're all about putting this thing on cleanly. Oh, and then check that out. You also have a new screen protector. So there you have it. That is what we get all the dust absorber and stuff for. So within this case itself, you got a dust absorber and everything else. And then you have the protective film on the inside, which I like that. It's going to keep this super clean without any issues. But we're here for the case. That's what I'm here for. So let's go ahead and crack open this. Let's see if we can get this piece off of it. Just like that. Everybody loves a good plastic peel. Okay. And now we're going to see. So on this, you don't have a button cover on the side. You have it for the new auxiliary button on the iPhones. You have covers for all the other buttons. And then as far as the openings go, you have no openings here on these side speakers. That's quite unique and definitely a different factor on this. But let's go ahead and pop it on and see how easy it is to get it in. And just like that. Now, I will tell you right off the bat, this is super thin. Now, if you're one that wants a thin case, this is definitely a super thin case. You have a nice raised back on the back here when it comes to the actual camera cover. So that is something that is going to be a huge plus for this. But outside of that, this thing is super thin. It is just slightly covering the actual screen. I mean, just slightly covering it. We got others that we can show you, and it definitely has a bigger lip to it. But if you're looking for a thin case, this FNT case is definitely the way to go. So also have the ability to do a cover for the screen as well, the glass cover if you want to, and they give you all the features for it. You got your dry and wet wipe for it. You have your dust protector as well for absorbing, and then you have your warranty card. I'm not going to lie. Super slick case, and you can tell it is MagSafe. I'm sure it's drop resistant and everything else. It still has a good feel all the way around. Very easy and feel on that. So definitely check it out.